kleptomaniac is a person who has a tendency to steal things without desire to use or profit by them. We have Ayan as Mr. Johnson, Yogita as Mrs. Johnson, Ayush as Peter the nephew, Abhishri as Mrs. Hendricks and narrator, and Prithvi as detective and narrator.
Go and
Mr. and Mrs. Johnson had just celebrated their 40th wedding anniversary last week and had received lots of expensive tea sets as gifts. Since they stay alone, Mrs. Johnson asked her husband to put some of the tea sets along with her jewelry in the bank locker.
Danny, where are you?
What happened? What happened?
You know there have been many instances of theft in the neighborhood. Danny, could you please deposit these tea sets and the jewelry in the locker?
What did you say?
I said you to keep these tea sets and jewelry in the locker.
Oh, you mean that I should keep them outside the locker?
I told you to keep them inside the locker, you deaf man. God knows how I spent 40 years with you.
What did you say?
Forget it.
Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. Peter's letter arrived last week. He said that he is coming tomorrow. I'll keep the tea sets and your jewelry in the locker before he arrives.
Oh, I haven't seen him for many years. I wonder how he looks.
Yes.
Mr. Johnson goes to the bank and Peter arrives after some time. A knock is on the door. Knock, knock. Yes, what can I do for you?
Aunt Jay, didn't you recognize me? I'm Peter, your nephew.
Of course, you look like your mom. How is she? She didn't come with you?
No, she has some important work. She'll be coming next month. Where's Uncle Jay?
Oh, he has gone for some work and will come soon. Come, I'll show you a room where you can rest.
Mrs. Johnson takes Peter to his room. Meanwhile, Mr. Johnson returns from the bank.
Hello, where are you?
I'm here. Did you deposit everything in the locker?
Yes, I deposited everything you gave me.
But this expensive jewelry is still lying over here and one of the pieces missing.
What? Oh, I must have forgotten to take them.
Okay, forget it. Peter has come. Let's meet him.
Yes.
Looks like he has gone for a walk.
Hey, isn't this a piece that was missing?
I don't think so, it's ours.
I think it is ours.
Okay, let's take it and keep it somewhere.
Yes.
Peter returns after some time and finds his gold-rimmed jug missing. He raises an alarm.
Aunt Jay, my mother had sent one golden jug for you. I can't find it anywhere.
Peter, relax. It's okay. You see, Uncle has a slight problem. He's a kleptomaniac. He takes things without any intention. Just forget it. You see, today we have Mrs. Hendricks' party tonight. You must come. And please do not tell this to anyone.
Who is Mrs. Hendricks?
She's our next door neighbor. She's celebrating her 50th birthday. You must come.
Fine.
All of them get ready and go to Mrs. Hendricks' birthday party. Meanwhile, Mrs. Hendricks has alerted and invited the detective to her party so that he could catch the thief in case he decides to come to her party, as Peter does open his mouth and the words come.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Hendricks.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Hendricks.
Thank you, Mrs. Johnson.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Hendricks.
Thank you, Mr.
He's Peter, our nephew.
Oh, thanks, Peter.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Hendricks.
Thank you, Mr. Inspector. So, did you find the thief?
My necklace.
My bracelet.
My watch.
Mr.
Mr. Johnson, you're under arrest.
But
please
what
don't
did
arrest
you do?
him. He didn't do anything. He's innocent. You still call him innocent? Please, I can explain you. He's a slight problem. You come to the police station, ma'am, and explain everything.
So, Peter, what's the collection today?
The That's all, Mom, I got for today. Poor uncle and I got mixed up. I'm afraid.
Mission accomplished.
అయిపోయిందా